Hello and welcome you all in online speaking class. Today our topic is education versus skill. We will start it in dialogue form. First of all, select which one you want to address, skill or education. Okay, then I will go after the skills. First of all, tell me why you choose education. Okay, tell me that why education is necessary. What is the use of education? But in my opinion, education is to educate a mind, to give it a analytical ability for reasoning and mathematical calculations. Education is to educate a mind. It doesn't guarantee you about the job. For job, we must learn about the skills. To educate a mind, to learn new things, we should go after the education. But if you want a practical demonstration of that theory, you must learn skills. If you talk about the job opportunities, let me clarify you one thing. Educated people are more jobless than the skilled persons. Because the skilled person, they don't go after the education of 16 year and 18 year, they don't waste their time in that education. They go for the practical demonstration, they learn about the practical things and they do their own work. So you have started it according to the job opportunities and about the earning. So we will go like this. I have already told you that education is only to educate a mind, to give you a new meaning to the life, to learn about the philosophy of the life. It doesn't guarantee you about the job opportunities. To get a job, you must learn a skill. A skilled person don't go after 9 to 5 job. They have their own work, and more interestingly, there is a no master for him who can give him orders. If you talk about the educated people and they get the job, so let me clarify you one thing, that educated people are more jobless than the skilled persons. The skilled person have no other option, they learn the practical things and they do their own work. On the contrary, the educated person waste their time for bachelor 16 year 18 years of their life in the useless studies. You are telling me about one thing, that education is to get a job. No, education is only to educate a mind. That's it. If you want a job, if you want to increase your income, you have to learn the skill. Okay, let me give you one example. Do you listen to the music? Bollywood music? Any favorite singer? Rahat Fateh Ali Khan. Rahat Fateh Ali Khan is the most experienced singer in the Bollywood. Who is his mentor? Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan. It means the family business, it means the skill that runs in the family has the most advantage than the educated thing. Educated people will work 9 to 5 and they have a master who order them very badly. On the contrary, the skilled person who have the knowledge about the skill, they work their own pace, they have no 9 to 5 bonding. Another example, okay, let me give you another example. In our area, there is a tailor who charge 800 rupees for tailoring. In the month of Ramadan, he got an order of 700 clothes. If we multiply it, then it will be 5,60,000. If we talk about the electricity charges, the shop rent and the labor cost, if we deduct all these things, we will get 4 lakh net profit. This type of profit we cannot earn in job. I always speak about thing we should go after the seasonal business. It can be the clothing, it can be tailoring, it can be anything. For how much work you did in the whole month, you will get a fixed salary. For example, there is a 30,000, you will get the fixed salary. There is no bonus, there is no extra money that you can get it. So if you work at any institute, you will get a fixed amount of money. But when you do a skill, when you have a skill, you can earn like this, you can earn anything. Another example, okay, I will give you another example. Virat Kohli, a cricketer, he earns 270 crores in just 2020. When there was a corona, there was not so much IPL matches, there was no matches at all at international level, but he earns 270 crores. If you talk about this thing, then what's his speciality? His skill is batting. He can bat well. He is a skilled man. He is a not job oriented person. He has a skill. So he utilizes. So in the 1 year, he got 270 crores for just his one skill. I will convince you that the skilled person are more knowledgeable, they are more learned and they earn more. Another example of Bollywood actor whose skill is acting, he is Salman Khan. Salman Khan charges 20 crore per Big Boss episode. The 20 crores, yes. Okay, this is the amount that if we work for whole life, we can't get it in a job. But for a skill, he earns for one episode. In my opinion, education is necessary. But if we see the current scenario, we should also learn about the skills. We should teach our children to learn some new skills, the skills that are in our locality or in our society. For example, in the current lockdown situation, we have seen that there is a huge upburst in the online shopping. So we can learn about the virtual assistants. Yes, virtual assistants. You don't have to go to an office to tie yourself, to get dressed and go and catch the bus. You have to sit at your home at your own pace. There is no bounding of 30 days to work. You have to work for 2 days, 3 days, and that's all okay. The world is changing now. It is not that we have to work for 30 days and get a fixed salary. We have to work at our own pace and we will get the money that we want. So all of these things are very necessary in our life and I think that we must learn about it. In my opinion, we should get education, but we should not forget to learn skills. According to the researches, in 2040, most of the jobs will vanish. Only the creative or skilled people will get the job. So we should prepare ourselves for that future as well. Thank you for watching this video. It's my pleasure to be with you. Actually, this video is only for to practice English. It doesn't mean that we in the favor of the skills or we are in the favor of education. It's all up to you. If you have the passion for education, you can earn, you can educate your mind. If you have a passion for your skills, you can earn well. So it's up to you. We are not in the favor of the skills or education. We are just practicing English. It's solely for the purpose of English practice. Thank you for watching this whole video. Most welcome.